Hey guys, this is Shagushini. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber and a viewer, thank you so much for your continuous support. Let's just get started with today's video. Can you believe in all my years of existence, I have never ever, and I really mean it, I have never ever plucked my eyebrows or done anything with my facial hair. I think ever since they have grown, they are like this. So precisely that is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to shave my face and I'm so scared. I can't even begin to tell you, like, I'm super scared. Now you guys might have already watched these amazing videos where they just take out a razor and just constantly go around shaving their face. I love people who have reached that level of finesse in their lives, but I am not one of them and I'm super scared. So I'm taking you on that journey with me, and because I'm scared, I'm not going to shave off my whole face. I am going to just do my eyebrows and my upper lips, and I'm going to see how that works. You know, there's something about the YouTube algorithm. They keep recommending you videos until you cave in. So I think for the past month in quarantine, the only videos I got in my recommended list was people shaving their face videos, and I do not know why. I had never shaved my face ever in my life. I don't know, and I never searched for it, so I don't know why I was getting those recommendations. But okay, YouTube algorithm, I caved in, and I bought this trio of facial razors of Amazon. I'm going to link that down below if you want to buy it. So this is what I'm going to use to shave my eyebrow razor and my upper lips. I'm just going to take one out to show them with you. I'm going to take out my favorite color, which is yellow, and I'm going to start shaving my face. Now the thing that I've learned watching all these face shaving tutorials on YouTube is that you need to really scrub your face, and like you need to really exfoliate your face to have, you know, a squeaky clean and dry surface, so that, you know, you get a smooth shave and hopefully don't cut yourself. So I have scrubbed my face really well with my favorite scrub. Also, some videos recommend using a hot compress to open up the pores, but I just had a bath and I did not do that. So I hope that I get a smooth shave even without a hot compress. So let's begin. So I applied some oil on my face. I will link the oil in the description box below that I used for this. And I did this because I wanted to soften the hair so that it's easier to shave. Okay, starting now. I really couldn't decide whether to chop off my eyebrows or my upper lip mustache. And I decided to go with my eyebrows first. So I went really gently, and I was really apprehensive that whether this is a good decision. But then I remembered that I really need to press down my razor and just, you know, go angularly downwards. So that's what I did, and it did not hurt in the beginning. It was quite nice, but ineffective. You know, when things don't hurt, they are mostly not very effective. So yeah, that's what happened. Then I went with my chin because that is somewhere I thought, okay, it's not that timid and I can go. Okay, now you have a lovely POV of my nostrils, but if you can look past that, then you will see me slightly shaving my upper lips. I'm basically not doing anything with my upper lips yet. So okay, again I go back to my eyebrows, and I started to become more brave by this time. And even though I know that inside I was scared that I might just chop off half my eyebrows, but I was still going at it. Good, good. You are getting brave, girl. So this is nice. And now I was saying, okay, fine, it looks like I'm shaving. So with my newfound courage, I started chopping my mustache. Okay, really firmly held down my razor, and okay, some more confidence, I went back to my nose. God knows why. I think I was hoping to, shave off my blackheads. Bad idea, guys. Uh, Blackheads doesn't help with shaving. I am obsessed with blackheads. If you know a foolproof remedy of getting rid of blackheads, please let me know. They really, really creep me out. It is one of my pet peeves, so please let me know. Now I'm back here again. This is your, very perfect YouTuber refining her mustache saving. So I'm doing that, and I think I'm going a bit overboard with the mustache shaving, which you will know. So I thought of putting a stop to that. I washed my face. I was happy with whatever I could do. By then, rubbed some ice on my face and some aloe vera gel because, it heals, and that was it. See, I told you I went a bit overboard because by this time I started feeling that my upper lips hurt a bit, and you will hear more about it soon. So, moving on to the next slide. Okay, so we are done. It was a super scary experience, I'll tell you. You won't probably get it if you have been doing it for quite some time, but if you're doing it for the first time like me, it feels scary to run a razor all over your face. I mean, what if you cut it? Um, yeah, so I was very, very scared that I'm going to cut my skin. In fact, I think I went a little overboard on my upper lip here in the left hand side, and it has turned a bit red. Like you cannot see it in the camera, but it feels a bit painful. So how does one feel immediately after shaving off after shaving their face? I think my face looks cleaner. Of course, I mean, yeah, like that is what it should have looked like, right? But do you think that the change is really significant? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below. In my excitement, I did go a bit overboard in here. It hurts. I put ice and aloe vera gel, which you ideally should do as well. In fact, the aloe vera gel that I use is very, very nice. It's really healing. It's from the Body Shop, and I actually had done a review and a comparison with that aloe vera gel years back in my channel. You will have that linked in the description box. So I hope that this redness subsides down. I don't know if you can see it. So even though you cannot see it, I can feel it. So immediately after shaving, my face looks cleaner. There's a bit of burning, tinging sensation, which I hope goes away. And yeah, that's all that there is to it. So will I consider shaving my face again? To be honest, no, because all my life, as I said, I have not done anything. All my life I have stayed away from this hair removing and shaving, threading and all of that. I and to be honest, I'm not going out anywhere these days, and I just make these videos. But all these years I have been making videos without shaving my face, and you guys have been liking my face as it is. So I don't think I'm going to go through that scary experience. I was scared, and I don't like to be scared in quarantine. So no, not in the near future. Most importantly, because I am quite comfortable with whatever facial hair that I have, I think I'm really okay and comfortable with it. Of course, that has nothing to do if you like shaving and threading and doing all of that. With your face, it's your choice, and if you're a pro at it, please continue doing so. But for me, I'm not going to shave my face again. It hurts. You have to be really, really careful. And to be honest, I don't think that the change is that significant with shaving. I'm not going to spend that much mental energy behind something that is not giving me significant visible changes. So yes, that is my final thought on shaving. Please know that this is my personal opinion, but you don't really have to agree with it. But if you agree to disagree or agree with it, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and let me know in the comment section down below whether you shave your face, you thread, your face. I will look forward to seeing your comments, and I'll definitely see you very, very soon on my channel. Bye.